What if the sun doesn't rise tomorrow? The dawn we trust every day? Suddenly absent. No warmth, no light, only silence. The sun powers weather, photosynthesis, and the climate system. If its light stops reaching Earth, the effects begin after about 8 minutes when the last photons from the sun arrive. Temperatures start to fall within hours. Within days, ocean surfaces begin to freeze near the poles. Within a week, average surface temperatures can drop below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Within a year, near-surface air could approach negative 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Photosynthesis stops immediately. Crops fail within weeks, food chains begin to collapse, water vapor and carbon dioxide condense out, the atmosphere dries, and the planet enters a deep freeze. If the sun truly vanished, Earth would lose both its light and gravitational anchor, drifting into interstellar space as a rogue planet. Sunlight would be gone forever. Only the faint warmth of geothermal heat would remain, keeping pockets of deep ocean liquid beneath an ever-thickening shell of ice. Humanity survives by building its own light. Nuclear reactors and geothermal heat become lifelines. Crops glow in sealed farms lit by artificial stars, while cities retreat underground, rationing warmth. No sunrise, no seasons, only human-made power against a frozen universe. If the sun doesn't rise tomorrow, the question becomes simple and stark. Can human engineering replace a star long enough to keep life alive?